Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make a Google Form test. So this is I had opened the Google Form, the new Google Form. The first you can edit the title here. I want to make like personal health questionnaire, and the description. And after that, write the question 1. Then write the option. Because this is a questionnaire, you can copying the first question to get the option, so you don't have to write the option again. Click on the 3 dots here, then click duplicate item. Then you only change the question. Repeat the step for next question. If you are done, you can share it with this button. So this is how to make a Google Form test. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.